Hi folks, welcome to Matrix Uploaded. In this lesson segment, we're going to be dealing with time conversions. Remember, that is measurement, but we're going to kick off time conversions, moving from hours to minutes, minutes to seconds, and backwards this way. Okay, let's go for it. First fact here, time conversion involves the following. As I said, guys, it involves hours, and then I'm going to talk of minutes and seconds, just these three aspects. Okay, moving from hours to minutes, minutes to seconds, or maybe sometimes from seconds back to hours, or this backward direction like this. Okay, let's see other facts under this. We have hours to minutes. So what do we do there? Hours to minutes, you find that. You multiply the number of hours by 60, then you'll get minutes there. Okay, remember hours, you have 60 minutes in an hour. So you're multiplying whatever the number of minutes is given by 60, then you'll get minutes. And another thing is hours to minutes, I talked about this. Minutes to hours now. You will have to divide minutes by 60 to obtain hours. Remember, minutes actually going backwards, so you must divide. Then if you need to move from hours to minutes, you multiply. From minutes to hours, you have to divide. Then another thing, we have minutes to seconds. Remember, multiply by 60 to obtain seconds. Then if we need seconds, moving from seconds to minutes, then you divide by 60 to obtain minutes. Guys, you'll realize that we've got the overall scale of 60. Move from hours to minutes, multiply by 60. Move from minutes to hours, then you divide. Just like when you deal with minutes to seconds, multiply by 60. Backwards, divide by 60. The main scale there is 60. Either 60 minutes, 60 seconds, 60 minutes make an hour. 60 seconds make a minute. Now, coming back here. Example 1. The below table shows the subject and the time Gogonana took to complete the subjects. All right? Now, this is the table. Sibeli takes this time. When you see your time in this format, it means hours, 2 hours, 52 minutes and 4 seconds. Okay, in those three parts, hours, then in the middle, minutes, the last number it means seconds. Now, the same thing right through up to IT. The middle number minutes, the first number hours, the last number seconds. Okay, look at the times this guy takes to complete the exam. Good. Now, we're saying how long did Gogonana spend in writing all the subjects? Okay, express your answer in hours, minutes, and seconds. We need hours, minutes in the middle, and seconds. But when you look at the table, it does the same. Hours, minutes in the middle, and hours. I mean to say seconds at the end. Seconds and hours, they are at the end. Minutes in the middle. But now the answer should be in hours. The same format. Hours, minutes, and seconds. Now, we've got two ways. I'm going to start with the first one. Quick. Straight to the point. Using your calculator. Have a look here. Okay. If I need the total time spent, you look at this. On your calculator, you have this button. Look at it now. Your calculator has this. Okay. So each time, remember, Sibeli is 2 hours, put this. 52 minutes, put that. 04, put that. Look at this button. Your calculator must have this in order to use it here. Otherwise, if your calculator doesn't have this, you cannot use this sign. Or you can't use a calculator for this method. So I'm putting Sibeli, English, maths, up to IT on a calculator. Remember, this must be put at the end of each section. So we have 2 there, you go there, 52 there, and then 4 there. Okay, so you put this, and then at the end, guys, you go equals. This means 21 hours, all in all, 6 minutes and 1 second. Can you see? I put it nicely now as hours, minutes, and seconds using the calculator straight away. Then you get the total time. Anyway, let's look when you don't use a calculator. That just manually so. Okay, if you look at this, without using a calculator actually, I'm collecting all my hours together, they make 19 hours. And from there, I'm collecting my minutes together, they're making 125 minutes. Just collect them. And then I'm collecting all my seconds, they're making 61. So out of 125 minutes, already I can get 2 hours. Okay, out of this I can get 1 minute. It's a matter of grouping, knowing your scale, guys. Now, minutes to hours, I'll have 2 hours and 5 minutes left. Okay, and then if you look at the seconds to minutes, I've got 61 seconds. That will make 1 minute, remember, and 1 second. So I have this. It's the matter of grouping them now to get my hours, minutes, and seconds. Let's see how we group this. If you look at this, I've got 19 hours there, plus 2 hours here. I'm dealing with hours first. This is my 2 hours. Then you have got 5 minutes plus 1 minute and then 1 second. Guys, it's a matter of grouping. Now, what do you have? 21 hours, 6 minutes, and 1 second. We get exactly the same thing. But with the second method, you'll realize that it takes long. But you're safe with it anyway. You're safe with it. You must know how to convert from hours to minutes, minutes to hours. Guys, see you in the next segment. Cheers.